Alright, YouTube. Next pre-release.
Oh my.
Got my sleeves. Got my packs. So let's start this off.
Bad blend. I got a shiny blend.
He's got a shiny blend.
I know what kind of deck
I got two.
That's a code card. Don't get excited. Promise, not an EX.
Jump flop. Well, it looks like you got something for a grass deck. I swear to God, if you get the Omega thing, it's a Bidoof. Stun Fisk. Why?
Bidoof.
Yay.
Stunky. Mareep. Ninkata. Minchino. Whalmer. Stunfisk. Good goodbye.
No, I'm keeping it.
Ew.
No.
Oh, Slaking Hollow.
What?
Slaking Hollow.
Yeah, I got one of those last time. Hey, look. A Gyarados.
Next pack. Terrakion. Oh, nice.
Take a whiff. Yes.
Oh, there it is, dude.
Trash.
That's what it's about. Not yet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Cool, and a Terrakion.
Stunky.
There it is.
Goodbye.
I don't need my
Fungus.
Bubble anymore.
Diana.
This is all I'm running.
Minchino.
Oh, he has 170.
Floatzel. Bulldor.
Yes.
Giant
Now I
Cape.
have two replays.
The Barrel Reverse and Driftglim. Yes, that's right. What he said. Trash.
I got nothing. I got nothing. I got a magic card.
Alright.
My dad pulled a full,
1, 2, 3.
full Rayquaza and a
Oh,
Terrakion.
Jesus. I just revealed the card that I got by accident.
What?
I just revealed a good card that I got.
What?
Magikarp, Murkrow, you're about to see. Yanma, Apom, Electrike, Buffalon, Maractus, Azalea, Gothorita, and Hydreigon.
I can say things now.
You guys knew what I meant.
No, not at all. No, we didn't. Do it again. I wasn't watching.
Alright.
Okay, I got my deck.
Hoppip, Cubone, Gibble, Rufflet, Wurmple,
If that's
Zweilous,
all I'm gonna run. Yeah.
Stunting, Hoppatoad, Hoppip,
I
and
feel for you.
Alamamola.
Lamamola.
I didn't get any X's. I'm pretty sure I didn't get any EXs.
Me and my dad pulled 3 together. Yay.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Wurmple,
Hey, Kevin.
Gibble, Azalea,
HP for a Pokemon?
Ninkata, Emolga, good Emolga, Throw, Zweilous. There's only one Emolga. Cubone and Yanmega. And last pack. Did you guys get any X's?
No.
My dad pulled 2.
I got
Right now?
Yeah, he pulled Terrakion and full art Rayquaza. You got full art Rayquaza? I got a red.
1, 2, 3.
I got horrible cards.
I think I got horrible cards too. Bidoof, Roggenrola, Slack
Let's
Off,
see, what am I gonna run in here?
Scrubber,
Hey, I can run both of those.
Swablu,
Just
Soaking,
because.
Walrein, and
I'm taking these.
Altaria, regular hollow. Not the best at all.